Welcome to handsonrealestateinvesting.com, where we have a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, ground floor condominium ready for sale. We have owned this condo 33 years. We have not spent much on upgrades, carpet, painting over the years, a couple of new appliances, and that is pretty much it. But look at the staging job done by Designs by Angilique LLC. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Dining room. That mirror has been there for 33 years plus. We did get new lighting several years ago. And now we have new blinds. We did spend about $1,000 on custom-made vertical blinds, fabric. Very nice fabric with texture. This is an eat-in kitchen, but they designed it as a workspace, which is perfect. In today's environment, lots of people are working from home, so this turned into a workspace. New blinds. The countertop was upgraded about 2 years ago. These are the original cabinets. Original cabinets, we just shined them up with a nice wood shine product. Very nice granite. Got that about 2 years ago. New refrigerator. Stove is about 2 years old. Gas stove. And flooring. Spent about $800 on the vinyl flooring. Very nice job. Very nice. Original cabinets. 2 new appliances over the years. Countertop. This is a great selling point, this workspace in the kitchen. Stay tuned at handsonrealestateinvesting.com. Unit number 8715 is ready for sale.